Hi everyone, this is Himalayan from Self-Sufficient Homesteading and Gardening, and while making a video for lacto fermenting green beans today, I made a shocking discovery about pink Himalayan salt. So I bought salt in bulk, like 25 kgs on the internet. I'm not sure who I bought this from. I just saw somebody advertise it and I bought this salt a while ago and I've been using it. But I also had Nature's Choice Himalayan salt in my cupboard. So to show you what I discovered, I'm taking 2 bowls, and to the left bowl I'm adding a scoop of the bulk bought Himalayan salt. In the right bowl I'm going to add a scoop of Nature's Choice Himalayan salt, right? And you can see it's the same amount of salt as the other one. And now I'm going to add some water to dissolve the salt so I can show you what I discovered. So to dissolve it, I'm going to be stirring it. This is the left bowl with the bulk bought salt, and it's having some trouble dissolving there, so I'm stirring it quite vigorously. Right, now I'm going to Nature's Choice Himalayan salt and I'm stirring, and immediately you can see a difference. It's dissolving easier than the bulk bought salt. So back here I've added some more water so we can dissolve some more salt. Maybe the solution is saturated. So stirring some more. Can you see that the water is a bit cloudy? But I keep going to see what is happening with this. Now back to the Nature's Choice, and just to be fair to them, I'm adding more water there as well. But it's very evident that the Nature's Choice salt, the water is clear, and you don't see much sediment there, do you? Right, look at that. There's not much in there. Right, back to the bulk bought salt. Look at the water, really cloudy, tainted. So I'm going to add more water just to make sure of what I'm saying here. So still milky, still got to stir it and see what happens to the sediment at the bottom. Right, you can see it's just swirling around. It's not dissolving. And when I stop stirring, you'll see it just go lay at the bottom. There's the Nature's Choice, nice and clear water, no problems at all. So there's the sediment. So I decided to throw off the water so I can see what is at the bottom of that bowl. So I'll start with the bulk bought salt, and I'm slowly pouring off the water. Now what you can't see with the video, but what I could see, is there were specks, like paint specks in this sediment. And that looks pretty tainted, man. And this is now the Nature's Choice I poured off. You will see there's also sediment at the bottom, much less, but we'll see the difference now. Now, I've also recently heard that China manufactures masses of Himalayan salt that is mercury tainted and tainted with other things. And I do believe that this is the case of what's happening here. Let me show you why I think that. So this stuff that I've got on my hand now, it looks like foundation that I can put on my face. And as I said, you cannot see the specks, but I could see it. So look, I'm putting my finger on paper to see what I can see. And it definitely looks like foundation or paint. Look at that. Okay, and then I rinsed my finger and I went to take the Himalayan salt from Nature's Choice, and there was also sediment, but it was salt grain, so the solution was saturated already. I put it on there. Just remember the board is shining through at the bottom, the brown stripe. There's no color on the Nature's Choice side, but on the bulk board side, it looks like paint. So, guys, be careful where you buy your Himalayan salt from. I don't think this is Himalayan salt. I think this is tainted salt. And that is pure salt from Nature's Choice. So make sure you choose a good supplier.